All right, so we're on the class page here. This is Math 8, Period 1, for example. It's going to be the same steps for all of you guys. You're going to go ahead and click this little white arrow down here. It'll open up this dropout menu. I want you to copy specifically this part that says HTTPS and then the link should end in your code. Your code will be different for each class, okay? So you're going to copy this, go ahead and copy, right-click copy, go to new tab, and I want you to click paste, and then go ahead and press enter, and it'll take you to that link. And the link is an invite to our class page. So see, you're joining Mr. McIntosh's 8th grade math, period 1. So in your case, it would be whichever period you're in. You're going to go ahead and create new account or log into your existing account if you already have one from another teacher. Since I already have one, I'm going to go ahead and log into my existing one, okay? But for the sake of you guys who don't have one yet, because I know some people are having issues right now, I'm going to go ahead and create a new account. Okay, we would create the account, choose whichever you want, and then it should let you go forward from there. If you have any questions past this point, let me know and I continue to make a new tutorial. Otherwise, I think that should be it. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.